With the housing market slowdown and 30-year mortgage rate over 7%, Sozzi shedding light on an interesting meeting between Citi analysts and the management team at Home Depot, including the new CEO, the appropriately named Ted Decker.
We didn't say it was Ted Trex. It's Ted Decker in this case.
Decker.
All right. Yeah. No. This note by the team over at Citi, Steven Zaccone is the lead analyst, really caught my attention because of how absolutely bullish it was, just given everything we've seen, like Julie mentioned, on rates and the housing market slowdown. A couple reasons why, just this really me distilling some of the notes or key takeaways from this note from Stephen. Home Depot really seeing home price appreciation over the past decade as a key driver of its business. Older homes, or just old stocks in the U.S. means the potential for more remodeling as these homes get sold. Low housing inventory suggests more supplies needed to build more homes in this country. And then lastly, opportunity to get more business from contractors. This is an area of Home Depot's business, a growing and always been a very important part of their business, especially relative to Lowe's, which has started to make a lot of inroads into the pro business. Looking at Stephen's analysis and ratings here, he has a buy rating on Home Depot, $340 price target on the company, and he has a neutral rating on Lowe's. But look, I think my take is this, and it fits into what we heard from Trex today and a lot of the suppliers like we've talked about. Home Depot stock is down 30% this year for a reason. And there I am with the Home Depot apron. Very, very cool. I really dig that one. Home Depot is one of my favorite stores. But rates are higher. How home sales have slowed. People are pulling back on remodeling activity. We saw it in Whirlpool. We saw it in Generac, and we certainly saw it within Trex today.
Well, it also comes back to sourcing materials and being able to get the necessary materials to actually get the products developed that come into the store. And that's a byproduct of all of the relationships that they have with suppliers as well. And so from the supplier part, getting materials, and then from the different manufacturers of those products that go into a Home Depot store, then it comes down to the contracts that they're able to get to actually push that product through to so many of the contractors that they work with.
Yeah, you know, what we're seeing right now with Home Depot took me back to when I was an analyst actually covering Home Depot during the great financial crisis. And what I underestimated and did not properly account for is when the housing market really starts to turn in a negative way, it will take a couple quarters for it to show up in Home Depot's results. So we could be having this conversation in the middle of next year, and maybe Home Depot sales are slightly only increasing in terms of same-store sales, or just flat out falling. I'm not talking about crashing sales, but again, not the Home Depot and even Lowe's that we have become known for, we have been seeing the past 2 to 3 years.